Hey guys, I want to get on here and talk trash. Yes, trash, and give you a couple tips of serving when you have company. I hope you can hear me okay. I've got a fan to my right. I've got the fan above me. We have some AC problems, and they're on their way. And they'll probably get here about the time I start taping. But anyway, here we go. I'm going to show you some things that I like, that we really like, and I think you'll like. This is the quiche Lorraine uncured ham and cheese from Trader Joe's. Now, if you have company, get a couple of these, bake them in the oven or warm them up because they're already. You just preheat the oven at 400 and you bake them for about 25 to 30 minutes. Add a little bit of fruit and you'll love it. I promise you, this is good. If you like quiches, you'll love this. I will repurchase this. The second thing is we love these bold party blend check mix. I suggest you to put them in a bowl, get a little serving spoon so not everybody's putting their hands in there. You know how that goes. And put a little serving spoon, and so when they dip out, they just put some in their hand and eat them and go back for more. You will like those. Second of all, I will repurchase this, the Trader Joe's key lime pie. Yes, this is so good. It is, you put it in the refrigerator, let it thaw out, you keep it frozen, and I don't remember how long I kept it in there, and then I put it out on the cabinet just before I served it for about 30 minutes or so to get a little bit of room temperature, not totally, but it was really good. And put a little bit, you can put a little bit of whipped cream, or Cool Whip, or nothing at all. It'd be fine. It would really be pretty too to put a lime. Just fix you some lime and just put that around the front of it and serve it that way too. Makes it pretty. Next thing that we like, oh, I better show you this. Next thing, my husband, he said, flying away, my husband said he would want something to dessert, and I didn't have anything. So when I went to the grocery store, because I am trying not to eat a lot of sweets, and I thought, well, he can do it because he works out every day, he keeps trim, he doesn't have a problem with weight. So I got this perfect size for one. It's in the cup, and this is the walnut brownie by Duncan Hines. They're new. They have like 4 or 5 different flavors, and they have a lemon one, which was really good. I did try that, but you only put water in it, add water, and you put it in your, but make sure it's a microwave safe cup when you do it. Look on the bottom. Make sure it's microwave safe, okay, because it does get hot. And it was good. You put a little bit on his, a little bit of whipped cream on his, Cool Whip, whatever. Next, I think you'll like these. If you've not already tried these, these are the hint of lime. I love these. They have a little bit of lime, just a little of taste. Also, I serve it with this. It's the splash of lime and mild flavored chunky salsa. And it complements each other. Just put it in a bowl. This in a bowl. Put the chips in the bowl. Just put a little bit of. I'll have to show you sometime how I do that. Just if I have a chance, I'll try to remember to show you that. But very, very good. Second of all, this is a fig spread. You ever see these in the grocery store? Well, these fig spreads are so good. If you get you some cream cheese, you get light, less fat, real cream cheese in the bar, and then pour this on top of it. Put this in a dish, and then, no, what am I talking about? You know me, okay, the way I do it. Okay, I put the cream cheese down on the plate, pour this over it, and serve it with crackers. Please forgive me, it's Monday. It's a Monday. Well, I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. I think you'd like this, but if you see the fig spread, any kind of spread, you can do it that way with all of the, anyway, I'm hanging up now. I'm going. I'm out of here. Hope y'all have a great week. Happy day. Be kind. This heat's getting to me with no air conditioning. You know what I mean? I hope you guys have a great day. Happy day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. Probably repeated it already, but that's okay. I love you. I'm sending you a hug. Until tomorrow. Smile.